Are you tired of messy kitchen counters, dripping dishes, and cluttered sink spaces? Say goodbye to chaos and welcome elegance with the 3-tier over-the-sink dish drainer drying rack. Now with a sleek protective cover. Let's explore why this innovative solution is a must-have for every modern kitchen. Section 1. Innovative Design. This isn't just another drying rack. It's a revolution in kitchen organization. A 3-tier over-the-sink dish rack designed to maximize vertical space, and now with a stylish protective cover. From dishes and bowls to glasses and cutlery, everything has its own place. The cover keeps dust and bugs away while adding a clean, premium look to your kitchen. Section 2. Premium Quality and Build. Crafted from high-grade rust-resistant materials, this drying rack is built to last. No more wobbly stands or stains. Its sturdy frame holds even your heaviest pots and pans without breaking a sweat. The rust-proof coating ensures durability for years, even with daily use. Section 3. Hygienic and Convenient. Proper air circulation? Absolutely. Thanks to its smart structure, your dishes dry faster and more hygienically. No more musty odors or standing water. And guess what? All parts are removable and easy to clean, so maintaining this beauty is effortless. And Section 4. Easy installation. Hate complicated setup? We do too. That's why this rack comes with a hassle-free assembly system. No drilling, no fuss. Just quick setup and you're ready to go. Section 5. Elevates your kitchen aesthetics. With its minimalist design, modern lines, and compact footprint, this dish rack does more than just organize. It elevates the entire vibe of your kitchen. Whether your style is contemporary or classic, it blends in perfectly. Narrator. So why wait? Upgrade your kitchen with the 3-tier over-the-sink dish drainer drying rack with cover, because your space deserves functionality with elegance. Click now to bring home the ultimate drying solution.